In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring task in Asana. This is a great way to streamline your workflow and ensure that regular tasks are never missed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to set up these repeating tasks so that they become an integral part of your productivity toolkit. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to Asana's website. If you're not already logged in, no worries, I'll guide you through the process. Begin by entering your email address. This is the email you used to set up your Asana account. After you've entered your email, click on the button that says Continue. This will take you to the next step, where you'll need to enter your password. Make sure your password is entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Then simply click on Login to access your Asana homepage. Once you're on your Asana homepage, it's time to select the project where you want to create a recurring task. Take a moment to navigate through your list of projects and click on the project that needs a recurring task. This will direct you to the project's detailed view where you can see all current tasks. To create a recurring task, first click on the task details. This will open a new panel that includes all the specifics about the task. Here you'll notice a section labeled Due Date. Click on the due date field and you'll see various options appear. Among these, look for the Set to Repeat icon, a critical step in making your task recurring. Clicking on this icon will allow you to specify how frequently you want the task to recur. As you explore the repeat options, decide the frequency that matches your workflow. Whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, or a custom frequency, select what suits your task's need for regularity. This selection is crucial as it determines how Asana will automatically regenerate the task after completion. Once you've chosen when you want to repeat the task, review all details to ensure everything is set as desired. Feel free to tweak any parameters to better fit your routine. Remember, setting up recurring tasks in this way can significantly reduce the hassle of manually entering tasks repeatedly and can help ensure consistent productivity. And that's it, you've successfully created a recurring task in Asana. By setting up these tasks, you're well on your way to managing your workload more effectively and staying on top of regular responsibilities with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of Asana's powerful features. Happy organizing!